In the heart of Rome, money flowed like blood, but who paid the price? Today we uncover the truth about taxes in ancient Rome, a system that funded empires, sparked revolts, and shaped history. Did you know Julius Caesar once destroyed tax records to win a war? Stay until the end to see how Roman taxes still affect your life today. Rome's tax story begins not with emperors but humble farmers. In the Republic, citizens paid tributum, a tax on land and wealth. But here's the twist: taxes funded armies, not roads or aqueducts. Without tributum, Rome couldn't conquer Italy. Every 5 years, censors assessed wealth. Skip a payment, you'd lose voting rights, or worse. But taxes weren't eternal. After Rome conquered the Mediterranean, tributum ended for citizens, shifting the burden to provinces. By the late Republic, Rome outsourced tax collection to publicani, private contractors. These tax farmers bid to collect provincial taxes, keeping the profit, but greed corrupted. In Asia Minor, farmers paid double their harvest's value. Some sold their children into slavery to pay debts. You extorted 3 million sesterces from a single town. Publicani became synonymous with corruption. Julius Caesar capitalized on this rage, burning tax records to win loyalty during his civil war. Augustus transformed taxation. He replaced publicani with provincial governors and a 1% sales tax known as centesima rerum venalium. Customs duties, inheritance taxes, and a 5% auction tax called the vicesima funded his new Rome roads, aqueducts, and the Praetorian Guard. But fairness? Not quite. Egypt paid triple the tax rate of Gaul, and when taxes spiked under Nero, the infamous Boudiccan revolt erupted in Britain. Rome's tax DNA lives on. Medieval kings copied their land taxes. The word census comes from Rome's tax audits. Even the US founding fathers raged against tribute, the same word Romans used. Taxes built Rome's glory, and sowed its chaos. So next time you file a return, remember you're part of a 2,000-year-old story. Thanks for watching. Did we miss a tax detail? Comment your questions. Subscribing fuels our research. Hit the bell to join the history revolution.